Today I'm going to be showing you how to make orange and rosemary chicken with a side of asparagus. Today we are cooking at 350 degrees direct. Some of the accessories we're using are the convector basket to raise up the grids, and the cast iron half moon, the stainless steel half moon grid, and we're also using the perforated veggie grid. As you'll see in there, that's a cast iron sauce pot. I've already got our orange and rosemary sauce reducing. That way it's finished, when the chicken and the asparagus is done too, you don't have to wait for that. Okay, so the first thing I think we'll do is let's prep our asparagus, because that'll probably take a little bit longer to cook than the chicken. All we really want to do for that is drizzle it with some olive oil. Toss it together, make sure it's all nice and coated. Add a little salt and pepper. Get it nice and mixed up again. And something I'll show you too, this is a trick I learned not that long ago. Usually when you pick up asparagus, you've got this nice, soft, and flavorful top. And as you work your way down, it gets into the kind of woody and chewy and tough to eat bit. So the trick is to figure out where the good eating stops and the chewy bit starts. All you have to do, you don't have to, cut it this far, look at the color. All you have to do is hold it firm in your right hand, pull it back with your left, and it'll snap off in the exactly right spot every single time. So let's just finish up these last two. Oh. Let's get our sauce pot off so it can start to cool. Let's see how much of this we can get on there. You want to make sure to get it nice and even. Make sure they all kind of got some contact with the cooking grid. Okay, asparagus is on. Guess I could have left those gloves on. But next we're gonna prep our chicken here. And today we are using the Big Green Egg Citrus and Dill again. It is fantastic on chicken. It's one of my go-tos. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the chicken first. Okay, that looks good. Back to the egg. And we're using cast iron because it's going to conduct more heat up into your food and give you those really nice grill marks and make it look fancy. If you look down in there, you see how thick that sauce got. That's what you're looking for. As it slowly starts to cool, it'll get thicker and thicker. Make sure you scrape all the good bits off the side.
Did you already say what was in the sauce?
Yeah, I think it's 3 parts. If I didn't say it before, it's 3 parts orange juice, 1 part chicken stock, and then I just put these sprigs of rosemary in there so that they can absorb the flavor as it goes. You can put a little bit of salt in there too to enhance it. And you can pull those sprigs out, because you don't want to eat those. I usually give it a little wiggle. You want it to stay not firm, but have a little bit of substance to it. You know, I think that one's about done. You know, that one's done. You don't want to just droop straight over. If it was drooping down like that, you cooked it too long. All right, let's bring our platter over. This is gonna be tricky. There we go. That chicken is done. That sauce pot is still hot. This is how easy it is. It's just chicken, asparagus, rosemary, orange juice, meal cooked entirely on the big green egg. Rosemary on top, and that's it.